Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie, a teacher educator who loves to share. Today I'm going to show you how to create an activity with Edcafe. Going to create a free account and make sure that whatever you do it only once. Going to add for the organization just my name, don't worry about that. And then you can go into the drop down and choose who you are, default language, and then finish signing up. Next, I'm going to go into create new, going to go into slide. Now remember, you can only do this once and then choose text. Add the answers to the following question. What comes to mind when you think about AI in education? How do you imagine AI could enhance teaching and learning in practical ways? What opportunities or challenges do you see for using AI in TESOL classrooms or in the ELT? Going to go back here and paste. Notice I went into text. I'm just going to paste my answers. And I can add additional information. I'm going to choose light, but you've got a choice here, and then generate slide deck. Now notice it says that this is a pro feature, so you can only do it once for free. So try it for free. Now notice what's happening here. It's adding everything really, really fast. It's adding an image as well as the text. Next, I'm going to give it a title, AI in ELT. Ideas, or anything else you'd like to add. You can select the folder here, My Library, or you can create a new folder and then save. I'm just going to save it so I can show you how to share it. Now notice the export Microsoft or Google Slides is a pro feature. You can still edit, and then notice here translate, rename, edit description, clone, or we're going to go into share. Hit share and then copy link. Once you copied the link, you go back into the course, into this activity, scroll down, and then add a discussion topic. Give it a title. I'll call it AI for ELT ideas, and then simply going to go into insert, scroll down until I get to Generico widgets, go into website, paste the link there, insert, and there it'll look kind of funny, but don't worry about that. You can add some text if you'd like, this is mine or anything like that, and then you're going to go into post to forum. Now before you leave, make sure that everything is working by checking it. So go into your discussion to make sure that it's all there. And there you can see that it's there. If you want to view it, you just go through each of these, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any comments in the comment box of this video. Thank you.